Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes. It's called sunny fried egg. The ingredients: you need cooking oil, a little bit of milk, one egg yolk, and one whole egg, and any topping that you like. I chose ham because. Next, you have to beat the egg.
And then you have to put what?
And then you have to put this sauce.
Put it in. Yes, okay.
And then
Beat
it
more.
a little bit more.
Yes, and then put more milk. Put in milk.
And then we put in milk.
Okay, enough.
And then we beat it again. First, you have to light up the stove.
Put in some cooking oil. And you just have to wait until it's hot. And what else you have to do?
And then when it's hot enough, we put the egg into the.
Yes. Just put it in. Yeah, just put the whole thing in. Yeah. Okay. We have to spread the eggs around. Just wait for a while until the egg is cooked.
And now you put in the egg yolk.
In the middle? Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle. Yes. And now you add some hams.
And now you add some toppings.
Yes. Oh, you do like this. Yes.
And now we just wait. Okay, so now it's all done. Now we just have to put it on the plate. And here's the results. Here we have the egg yolk, and the ham.
And it's called?
And it's called sunny fried egg.
Yay.